So firstly, Riddhi, welcome to IWM Buzz. Big congratulations for the married woman successfully
Thank
ट्रेंड
you.
कर रहा था हर एक जगह। तो क्या बोलना चाहोगे, तो सीजन 1 को इतना सारा प्यार मिला है ऑडियंस से?
Um, it's um, it's a very nice feeling.
Yeah.
It feels good that when you do something with so much conviction and also something so new and it's appreciated.
Yeah.
It makes you feel like confident about you know like I as an actor want to do different stuff, and I always my attempt is always to try and do things which can push me as an artist. And when you see that you get the recognition and um, you get the confidence of the audience, you get their approval for what you thought I want to do something more, I want to do something different, then it feels really really good.
बिकॉज हाई रिस्क भी होता है जब आप ऐसा कोई टॉपिक लेकर आते हो ऑडियंस
True.
के सामने जो कि
True.
कभी यूनिक हो। तो सीजन 2 भी आने वाला है, तो सीजन 2 में हमें क्या नया देखने को मिल सकता है? क्या आस्था में चेंजेस आएगा अभी?
I think I honestly don't gradual development of the character from where we left her in season 1, but I really can't say what exactly it will be because it's up to the writers and the creators कि अब वो क्या करना चाहते हैं उस कहानी से and where do they want to take it.
Okay, so
I can't tell. I as much as I would like to speculate and tell you कि this is what I think, but I really can't tell what they want to do.
तो रिद्धि, जब आपने फैंस के रिस्पांस देखे तो आपको कितने सारे रिस्पांस, पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस देखने को मिले, और कितने सारे इंस्पायरिंग थे आपके लिए भी वो सब मैसेज पढ़ने पे? एनीथिंग यू रिमेम्बर द स्पेशल मैसेज?
I think they were all positive. Like all the response, everybody only had positive things to say for the show. I don't remember getting one negative response or one person saying anything. Of course, criticism and critically people have the right, and I used to look for what people have to say critically because that's very important. But no one, everyone appreciated the show. Like people had, if anyone had anything critical to say, it was mostly that you could have done it better.
Yeah.
But nobody was like, ye kya banaya? Response, and more than just positive response, I think so many people recognize the show as their own. So many people saw so much of themselves in the show, and I've it's not something I'm saying ki mujhe kisi ne bola. I've received so much, from people. So much they've written into me about what they feel and how they identify with it.
Yeah.
So that I mean, they made it their own. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि honestly, जब आप when you work on a character or you work on a show, you feel like I hope the audience accepts this character. I've worked on it so lovingly, but they not only accepted Astha, they made her their own. Like they said that I know I identify with her. I know what she feels. I know what she goes through. So that's amazing.
मैंने कन्फेशंस हो रहे थे, मैंने बहुत सारे ट्वीट्स भी देखे थे जहां कन्फेशन किए जा रहे थे.
Exactly, which is beautiful.
Yeah.
The fact that they feel like, I mean, we of course the negative of all of this is that they didn't have that. They didn't have the space to be open about what they feel. But the fact that they are being so open and they are coming out and confessing, I think that's brilliant. Because I truly feel ki theek hai, the world may not be accepting, and people are homophobic or whatever, but I feel like there are so many people, like including me, so many people who embrace sexual differences and sexual preferences, all kinds. So it's important for people to know that you have support and you don't need to scream or shout for them. It's there, and you can openly talk about it, and there will be someone to hear you.
तो जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि इंडिया में कभी बहुत ही कम लोग होते हैं जो कि प्राइड मंथ काफी ही प्राइडली सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, लेकिन इस बार हमने देखा कि कई सारे लोगों ने प्राइड मंथ काफी ही शानदार तरीके से सेलिब्रेट किया है, एंड इवन योर शो बूस्ट अप द एवरीवन. तो इसके बारे में क्या बोलना चाहोगे और आपने कैसे सेलिब्रेट किया ये प्राइड मंथ को लेकर?
I think it's brilliant that it is what it is. I mean, also I think after lockdown we all need a reason to celebrate life. So any sort of celebration is like welcomed. But yeah, it's true that I'm just happy to be a part. I always put out something or the other on Pride Month every year. जब से मुझे पता चला है, because I support it. I support people having the right for their own sexual preferences. I mean, who are we to even give them the the go ahead? Yeah, who are we to say anything to them? But so I've always supported that. But this year it was special for me because I did a show which celebrates them. And I'm very happy that Pride Month is going on, and there is so much awareness. There is so much acceptance, and there is so much what do you call it? There's normalization of Pride Month and of LGBTQ community. There is a normalization. There's a long way to go, but it's good that at least the word is far more. Matlab, this year I think it's far more a possibility कि parents को बार बार सुनाई दे रहा है, just in the community, हमारे parents को या किसी और को, there's a lot of talk about it, which I think is fabulous.
बोलते ना एक छोटी सी चिंगारी तो लग गई है, बस अब वो फैलना बाकी है, so that the knowledge of LGBT ऐसे बढ़ता जाए.
Yeah, exactly.
So रिद्धि, जब ऐसे यूनिक कंसेप्ट आते हैं तो आपको नहीं लगता ये सब यूनिक कंसेप्ट टीवी के जरिए भी ज्यादा वाइडली स्प्रेड हो? Do you feel कि the married women should also come through TV also, through TV serials also?
I mean, if you want to ask me whether such concepts in LGBTQ community and their issues should come out on television, then I must say that I have been a part of a show like that. I was doing a show called Maryada, and usme the one of the characters, the one who plays elder brother to my husband, he was gay in the show, and we did explore it back then in 2010, 11, 12, and so I feel like it's there, and we didn't get any backlash. In fact, I remember उस time पे भी हमें बहुत support मिला था, and a lot of newspapers, international newspapers covered us. I remember that something like this is happening on Indian television. I think people, if you are okay to take risks, and if you're okay to tell the story, then there are many takers for it. People want to see a good story. अगर आप अच्छे से बनाएंगे, लोग देखेंगे ही देखेंगे.